Just say that it's a pet. Yeah. So you see, it's like nothing is being tied into the. So that we feed him with rice. It's normally being fed with rice on board, so it's like it's a
So
very
no
good
injury,
friend. No injury. It's my like I look after it, man. Oh, it's easy. He doesn't wanna go. You can see nothing is being tied around his leg. Or just staying on,
Yeah.
man. I'm telling him to go, but he doesn't wanna. Look, man.
Maybe he will. This will come with you in Hagen, ah.
Yeah. I will take it to Mada again.
Pisin. This one pisin, ah.
It's our fishing. Oh, these guys are bringing better land. Or maybe these guys are.
Time for bed now.
Yeah, time to sleep now. We are going to bed. Bye.
Bye.